Hello and welcome. Today's 6 pose sequence is meant to bring vitality, clarity, and emotional balance through gentle core activation and spinal movement. So, whenever you're ready, let's begin. Let's start on our hands and knees actually. We're going to bring up some gentle movement into our spine. So inhale, arch our spine, gaze up for cow. Exhale, round the spine, chin to chest for cat. Inhale, arch your spine, gaze up. Exhale, round the spine, chin to chest, feel the back stretching here. And again, inhale up and exhale. Inhale up and exhale. And one more. Inhale up and exhale. Good. Now shake it a bit. Shake your pelvis, shake your head, side to side. And now let's come onto our buttocks here for our first pose of the 6 poses meant for this flow, which is Navasana or boat pose. So we're going to balance on our sit bones. So find a space where you can do that. And then raise your legs up, hands by your side. This is option 1. We're going to stay here for a couple of minutes, so you may choose to use option 1 at first. Or option 2 is extend the legs and breathe here. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Now lower the legs and the hands and come at a 30-degree angle with your legs and with your body and stay here. 1, 2, 3. You might feel a bit of a shake, that's okay. 4 and 5. You may choose to stay here or come up to full Navasana or bend the knees, whichever works for you now. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. And lower down again. 1, 2, 3. I know it's burning. 4 and last one, I promise. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Good. Now come onto your back. Bring the knees to your chest. Hug them dearly. Release any tension you've just built up into your core. 2 more breaths here. And then raise the legs up and we're going to do Sarvangasana or shoulder stand. So from here, you always have the option here to remain here. This would be your startup position if you like. If you want to come into the full pose, bring your legs up and balance onto your shoulders. Extend the legs up, throw the lower belly in, and stay here. You're balancing on your shoulders, not on your cervical area. We're going to maintain this for 15 breaths. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, and 15. Good. Now let the legs fall over your head for plough pose. If your toes touch the ground here, extend the arms and interlace your fingers. The back is straight here and you're breathing deeply. 1, 2, 3, 4. You may choose to close your eyes here. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and 5 more. 11, 12, 13, 14, and 15. Good. Now slowly place your hands onto the lower back and slowly come back down. Roll your spine down. And you're going to love this new pose. This next one is going to be relaxed in Shavasana. Just find a comfortable position. Midway through the practice, we're just relaxing here in Shavasana. Just feel the contact points with the mat. Feel any tension that was created with the previous exercises. And just try to release it with each exhalation. A few more breaths here. Calm and gentle breaths. Now slowly open your eyes and then let's roll onto our belly. So we're coming onto our belly here and we're going to do Bhujangasana or Cobra Pose. So place the palms by the side of your chest, push through your palms and raise up. This is halfway, yeah, but you can extend your arms if you feel more flexible, or you can come onto your forearms into Sphinx. Just find the variation that works for you today. Wherever you are, we're going to keep this for 10-15 breaths. If you've done one option, you may choose to do another. For the next 5 breaths, just find what works for you. Do not force. And just breathe. Two more breaths. Now slowly push your palms into the mat, open the knees as wide as the mat, and just relax for a few breaths in child's pose. Push the chest through your legs onto the mat, put the forehead onto the mat if that's accessible to you. Extend the spine and stay here for a few more breaths. One more breath. And then slowly come forward, come back onto your belly. And we're going to do Dhanurasana, which is bow pose. Bow pose. So now bend your knees, catch your ankles with your hands, and on the next inhalation, we're going to raise up, gaze forward. Do not force, we're staying here a while, so just find the option that works for you. You can swing forward and backward. Just be playful with this pose today. Five more breaths. Two more. And release. Good. Now make a pillow with your forearms. Place the head onto that pillow and let the legs sway from side to side. releasing any tension from your lower back. And then slowly stop, push through your palms, and let's come up into a comfortable seated position. You may choose Sukhasana, which is a cross-legged, or you may choose a butterfly pose if that works better for you today. And when you've reached here, just close your eyes. And just notice how you feel in this moment. How's your core? How's your spine? What shifted from the beginning of the practice? Just observe. And whenever you're ready, slowly open your eyes. Good. Choose to do this practice as often as possible for that vitality boost that you may need. Thank you for choosing to practice with me today. May you be happy, may you be in peace, may you be filled with love. Namaste.